Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing the SU-30746-0 error on your PlayStation can be frustrating, especially during an update. This code usually signals an issue with the system software file itself. Perhaps it got corrupted. Don't worry, this is a common problem and often fixable with a few simple steps. Let's get your console back on track. Let's start with the easiest steps. First, completely power down your PlayStation, then unplug it for about 30 seconds. This simple power cycle can clear minor glitches. Plug it back in, restart, and try the update again. Also, ensure your internet is stable. A good connection is crucial. Consider restarting your Wi-Fi router for best results. If basic steps didn't work, try rebuilding the database using safe mode. Power off your PlayStation completely. Then, press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller via USB, then select option 4, Rebuild Database. This reorganizes hard drive files, fixing corrupted data without deleting your games. It's a very effective solution. Should previous methods fail, a manual update via USB is your next option. You'll need a computer and a FAT32 formatted USB drive. Visit the official PlayStation website to download the latest system software. Crucially, follow their detailed instructions precisely for placing the file in the correct folder structure on your USB. This ensures proper installation. With these steps, your PlayStation should now be successfully updated, and the SU-30746-0 error should be gone. Always ensure enough free storage space, as this can prevent future update issues. If the error still persists, don't hesitate to contact PlayStation support directly. They can provide specialized assistance. We hope your console is now ready for seamless gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.